Okay, so hi dear Capricorn, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading for all the Cappies, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. It's a you versus them current energy check-in. The roles can be reversed also, please keep that in mind. And it's a timeless reading, it's just a current energy check-in, no timeline to this. Now, if you want to be a tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the potential to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that, I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. Yeah, for the timing, let's go for this. Let's do it like this. Cap is on your side. Let's see what we have. We have the Eight of Pentacles, the Knight of Cups, the Star card. Wow. You're so much in your loving and nurturing and caring kind of energies right now. It's making me feel overwhelmed, like a beautiful kind of energy from your side. You are in this energy of putting in the effort and energy in opening up your heart chakra to the extent of spreading loving, compassionate, kind, and nurturing kind of energies to everything and everyone that you are going to meet these days. You are being very optimistic, very positive, very radiant, and you are in this energy of everything is going to be fine, everything is so beautiful. I will make it beautiful, even if it is going to go south, I'll make it go north because I know I have the power, the courage, the strength, and most importantly, the love and the open heartedness to make something really beautiful. And I'm going to make that happen. Even if it is going to be the toughest job of the whole universe, I'm going to make that happen because I carry a lot of love, I carry a lot of compassion. So I know I can make this happen. The kind of love, the kind of positivity, the kind of compassionate energy that you are telling me that you carry right now, it's kind of making me love you, Cappies. Wow, thanks. I never had an deep encounter with a Capricorn ever in this lifetime. No friend, no family, no romantic connection, no. Right now, you are making me very attracted to you. Your energies, your vibes, very good. Let's see the energy attached to you, what they're up to. We have Three of Pentacles, Page of Cups, Three of Wands. There's a lot of love in this connection from both the sides. This is really pretty, really beautiful. So the energy attached to you, they are enjoying this collaboration partnership. Maybe there's a physical distance between you guys right now, but they're looking forward to have this collaboration, this coming together, coming back together with you, with open heart, with open energies, with a lot of love and compassion. It's like there's a lot of love from both the sides. There's a lot of this energy of we can make this work out from both the sides, and there's a sense of waiting, you know, to come together or come back together, but with love. So, wow, this is really beautiful energy that you're sharing with somebody, and both of you are on the same page. Very rare, but very beautiful. Very beautiful. I'm so happy for you guys. Let's see, you we might be the first sign that got that much positive reading. But let's see for the connection, for the mutual energy, what's happening. We have the moon, the empress, the seven of pentacles. The more you guys have to wait for something to come back around or come together or come back together, kind of, the more you guys are going to the more you guys are kind of getting worried with each passing day about the future direction of a beautiful loving caring kind of energy exchange that's going on between two people. It's just a fear. And from time to time, we all have the tendency to go in that fearful mode. What if this will happen? What if that will happen? What if I am going to put an evil eye on this? What if I am going to mess this up? What if they are going to mess this up? Just a normal thing. The connection is going through a period of a lot of love from both the sides, but a little bit of fear attached to the more you guys have to wait, the more you guys are feeling like, what if it is going to be messed up or something bad is going to happen? That is just a fear talking to you guys. Don't listen to that. No, you guys are doing it beautifully, energetically from both the sides. Don't mess this up with fear, with this energy of oh my god, don't do that. Guidance, yeah, you had 10 of wands. You have to let go of every fear, every stressful energy, everything that is kind of messing with your heart and soul right now, in order to keep this energy intact the way it is going, because it's so beautifully crafted from both the sides. It's so beautiful. It's like a beautiful story emerging out of this situation. So your fears, your energy of what if this, what if that, your energy of conflict, your energy of listening to your mind might mess this up. Don't do that. Simple. Don't listen to your fear at all. Like shoo fear, shoo. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.